Welcome to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to download House Flipper on your PC. First, we need to open Steam. If you don't have Steam installed yet, head over to Steam's official website. Once you're on the website, click on the green Install Steam button at the top right corner of the page. After installing Steam, open it up. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, click on Create a free account and follow the prompts to set up your new account. Once you're logged into Steam, you'll see the store page. In the search bar at the top right, type House Flipper and press Enter. Now, you'll see House Flipper in the search results. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the game store page. Here, you can read more about the game, check out screenshots, and watch trailers. If you're ready to buy it, click on the green Add to Cart button. Follow the prompts to complete your purchase. After purchasing the game, go to your library, which you can find in the top menu. Click on House Flipper in your list of games, then click the blue Install button. Choose your installation location and click Next. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a Play button. Click on it to start the game. That's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. Bye-bye.